You will love this cupcake recipe. This marble cupcake is beginners friendly, so do not worry. Even if you've never made marble cupcakes before or you do not have any experience, this recipe is here to save you. Now, we are using 200 grams of butter and 200 grams of sugar. I'm using 3 medium to large size eggs. Make sure your eggs are at room temperature, very important. If they are not at room temperature, if they are cold, it can affect the consistency of your batter. We are going to add in our vanilla flavor. I am adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavor, and of course my milk. I am using 4 tablespoons of milk. I use this 15 ml tablespoon. So altogether the amount of milk we use was about 60 ml. So take note of that. Now make sure your milk also is at room temperature. We are not going for cold milk. Add in a little bit of your baking powder and baking soda alongside of your flour and salt. Sift it into your flour to prevent you from adding any bits of dirt or lumps into your butter. Go on now to separate your butter into 2 equal parts and add in 2 tablespoons of sweetened cocoa powder. If this is your first time of stopping by my channel, you're so welcome. And if you've been here before, good to have you here once again. And if you haven't subscribed to Debbie's Kitchen, come on, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe, do like and share, and let's go on now with this process. Now, make sure you sift your cocoa powder to prevent you from adding any bit of lumps to your batter. Mix your butter thoroughly, and this is what we'll have at the end of the day. Prepare your pan. You can use your cupcake paper or whatever kind of cupcake paper you have available. Place your butter like so, add in a little bit of your plain butter and top it off with your cocoa powder or your cocoa butter. Repeat this process until you get to the level you desire. Make sure you do not fill your cupcake pan. You want to give your cupcakes enough space to proof or to lift. Once you are done with this process and you've exhausted your dough, tap your butter, tap, tap, tap. At this stage, you can mix your butter together by swirling it using your skewer or your toothpick, or you bake at 175 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. And this is the yumminess you get at the end of the day. This cupcake came out so perfect. It is so perfect. You want to check the description box for the detailed ingredients and measurements. If you follow this process step by step, you're going to get this same recipe on your table. Now, when we cut through this cupcake, the texture was out of this world. It felt so yummy, soft and fluffy. Come on. Don't you think you need to thumbs up this video? Thumbs up this video. Follow Debbie's Kitchen for more recipes. Subscribe. Turn on the notification bell because you don't want to miss out on all the yummy recipes from Debbie's Kitchen coming your way weekly. See you in my next one. God bless you.